Hey, beautiful. Sometimes your face just needs a break. You need something soothing and lovely and hydrating and just basic. And that's what we're going to make today. A beautiful, soothing, calming jelly mask. Now, I already have water, centella hydrosol, and chamomile hydrosol in here. You can use all water. You can substitute the hydrosols for whatever hydrosol you have and enjoy. Doesn't matter. Now we're going to throw in some allantoin and panthenol. That is a lovely combination to just soothe and hydrate your skin. And we're going to stir that until the water's mostly clear. Now there's not quite enough liquidy bits in here to fully dissolve those. You can see it at the bottom here. Don't worry about it. We're going to add lots more watery bits, so it'll be fine. And into this, we're going to put some Germall Plus, liquid Germall Plus. I'm just going to give that a stir. And now we're going to add some colloidal oats. Just a touch, but the colloidal oats are so soothing and lovely to the skin and calming. So we definitely need some of those in there. And I have this compulsion to smush all of those little clumpies you see in there. You don't really have to. We're going to hit it with the milk frother after the next step, but I can't help myself. I have to mush them. All right. So in goes aloe gel and some glycerin. A good bit of both. In they go, and of course I scraped that container out completely. We're going to give that a little stir, but that's not going to incorporate with just stirring. So now we're going to hit it with the milk frother. And we're just going to mix that for just about a minute or two. And now we have just a touch of the ultra mild surfactant and a little bit of a fragrance. You don't have to add a fragrance. You can leave that completely out. Just substitute that little tiny bit of more water, or more surfactant. That surfactant's really just in there, both to solubilize that oil, but also to assist a little in rinse off. So we're going to add that and give that a stir. We don't really want to hit it with the milk frother because even though it's just a tiny amount of surfactant, just my stirring is going to kick up a nice little bit of bubbles by the end. Imagine how many more bubbles would be in there if we had the milk frother. Look at those bubbles. So if we had the milk frother in there, it would really be a lot more than that. Now I decided to change the color. You don't have to. I'm not 100% sold on my choices, but make it a color you like or just leave it plain. It's up to you. The green's okay for me, but that green looked a little unappealing to me. So you see I'm going to go in with a darker green to try and make that a little bit better. I don't know that I was successful, but we live with our choices. I don't think at this point that was a better choice. I think it looks quite murky. Not my favorite, but I will try to make it better at the end, you'll see. So next, we are just going to put in the Sepamac Zen and hyaluronic acid blend. We're going to just sprinkle that over the top, and I'm going to stir it in and wet it and rehydrate it a bit. It's not going to fully hydrate for many hours or overnight. It's very forgiving though, so I will set it aside for a couple hours and then come back and hit it with the an immersion blender, you'll see. But we're going to let that sit, cover it, and set it aside for overnight's ideal, but I never have patience for that. So you see I put a little bit more with the bright green color in, and now I'm going to hit it with the immersion blender. And I blend this for about 2 minutes until it's all pretty uniform. And you'll see what we end up with. Ta-da! No. We end up with this really floppy, fun kind of gel. It's really, gel. Look at that. I think it's very fun. But yeah, that's what we want it to look like. And then we're going to take a clean and sanitized jar, and we're going to put that in there. I love that texture. It's so weird. I know I'm so weird, but I just do. I love that texture. But this is what it looks like, or is going to look like, on your lovely skin. It's very soothing and cooling, because the gels are typically quite cold feeling, but it's very soothing and lovely and spreads beautifully, and the texture is cushiony and lovely. And you're going to rinse it off, but I'm just going to go ahead and wipe it off for now, because guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more. Bye.